Hi, this is Lisa Somerville for Divinity Designs. Welcome to another Tuesday's tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you some masculine cards using our Couture collection die set, along with additional Divinity Designs dies. And here are two samples using the Couture collection die set. The Couture collection die set is a set of 13 dies. You have the dress shirt die, the vest die, tie dies, button dies, and the faux pocket dies. After die cutting the dress shirt, fold on the center score line, fold the collar tabs forward, and glue in place. I'll be sharing with you a tutorial later in this video so you can see just how easy it is to create this dress shirt. The dress shirt from the Couture collection coordinates with 3 other Divinity Designs dies. Here you can see the dress shirt used along with the suit jacket die set. The suit jacket die set contains 20 dies. And on this card, you can also see the vest was added from the Couture collection die set. Another die set that uses the dress shirt die from the Couture collection is our everyday shirt die. This is a set of 12 dies. You have the shirt dies, the lapels, the pockets, and the buttons. And here's a few finished cards. On the everyday shirt die, there are score marks on the shirt, so that way the sleeves fold in so this card easily fits into an A2 envelope. And the last die set that coordinates with the dress shirt found in the Couture collection die set is our fishing and hunting vest die set. This is a set of 13 dies. You have the vest, small pocket flap, small pocket, large pocket flap, large pocket, vest tab and snap, vest and pocket zippers, fishing lures, and a duck call. And now let me share with you just a few samples using the fishing and hunting vest along with the dress shirt from the Couture collection die set. This one also uses our fish embossing folder. You can see all the wonderful details on the lure, the zipper, and the pockets. And here's another sample using the fishing and hunting vest along with the dress shirt from the Couture collection. We do carry 2 6x6 paper pad collections that are perfect for using these die sets. The Cool and Casual paper pad contains 40 designer papers, 4 sheets of each design. And the Menswear Material Collection. This contains 36 designer papers, 3 sheets of each design. Now in this video, I'm not going to be sharing with you a tutorial for all of these die sets. You can find those on the individual product pages on our website. Now in this video, I'm just going to be sharing a tutorial on the Couture collection die set. So here you can see I've already die cut and embossed all the pieces I'm going to need to create my dress shirt using the Couture collection die set. Again, the base die will die cut and score for you. You'll fold on the score line, right sides together. And then the collar flips forward. Again, to be sure to emboss this die to bring out the details of the die. Now you can embellish the dress shirt several ways. You can add the vest, the tie, the button, and the faux pockets just to that base cardstock like you see here. Or you can die cut and emboss a second panel of the dress shirt. You'll use scissors to cut away the top part on the fold. You can then use scissors to cut away the collar. Now you can add adhesive to the back side of that panel and adhere to the card base. I'm going to adhere my pattern paper to the card base using Barely Art Craft glue. So now you can have a two-tone shirt with a collar that's a different color than the dress shirt, or you can adhere those pieces that you cut away. Next, use adhesive and add the 2 die cut and embossed tie pieces together to form the tie. Add adhesive to the back side of the tie and then press firmly in place. Add adhesive to the back sides of the collar and then press in place. Now you can finish embellishing the shirt by adding the vest, the buttons, and the faux pockets. Again, the dress shirt from the Couture collection coordinates with the fishing and hunting vest, suit jacket, and everyday shirt die sets. For more inspiration using these and other Divinity Designs products, visit the product pages on our website, like us on Facebook, or follow us on Pinterest and Instagram.